When you walk into your parents' home or the home of a good friend you've known for years, it's familiar. There's comfort. You know the best place to sit down. You know where the good snacks are. You know that the dog loves it when you throw him a ball. When you walk into a stranger's home, you're immediately in an unknown environment. You don't know where or if you should sit down. You don't know what you should and shouldn't say. You don't know if the dog wants to play or if the dog will bite. It takes time, sometimes a lot of time, before you feel comfortable. Substitute teachers walk into a stranger's home every day. Every day is their first day. What can you do to make that first day more comfortable for them? Any bit of information you can give will be helpful to them. Here's where you should park. There's where the cafeteria is. Lesson plans can be found in the top drawer of the desk. The break room is down the hall. Helping substitutes know that the dog won't bite, so to speak, will help create a positive culture and bring them on board with the rest of the team.